out too late under the starshine. I wish that I didn't have to wait.